Welcome back, folks. Another cooking show for you. In today's video, buffalo burger. Oh, it'll be so delicious. We got it all grind up. And we're going to have a competition. Avril's burger versus my burger. Well, say in the comments which burger you like best.
Avril.
Yeah. For my burger, I'm going to use onions.
Are you ready to choose? So tell us when.
Okay, now you choose it, Sissy. Which one do you think is better? She's gonna use onions too. We're gonna have a side dish of our onions, lettuce, and tomatoes. She's gonna use also salted butter. This is the no name. Use always salted butter. Tastes better. We got salted salted butter in here. Yeah, and we'll use salted butter, and I'm gonna use some pizza mozzarella cheese. And shredded ones. In Avril's burger, she's gonna use soya sauce. And these are the spices she's gonna use. Here's one. So you can see it. Here's the second one. That's one she's gonna use. I'll just show you fast and continue the video. Yeah, this is the next one. And here's the other one she's gonna use. If you can see that, hope you guys can. And here's the other one, smoked. Yeah, and here's the next item, Tex-Mex. Oh, her burger looks gonna be delicious. Yeah, we got our buffalo meat here. We'll put our salted butter. Mix it with our burger so it'll hold together. And then we'll cook our burger, and we're using bacon too. The bacon is in the oven already. The bacon is coming along. Let's have a look at the bacon. Here's the bacon, folks. It's coming along. That's gonna go on top of our burger.
I'm gonna put my buffalo. And bison has no fat.
Yeah.
So you wanna add some butter.
Oh, it's gonna be this. Let's see how you're gonna do.
Some fish monger first. Sprinkle that in there. And then some smoked paprika, an onion, some tahini, some barbecue chicken, some vegetable, and then some soy sauce for Worcestershire sauce. Then I'm gonna mix that up.
Oh, with your salted butter.
Salted butter.
Salted butter. The butter is better. Yeah, she's putting her burger together. Oh, I can smell the flavors.
It doesn't matter if you have a little bit of that butter in there like that.
Yeah.
It's gonna
cook, right?
It's gonna go make the burger soft throughout the burger. Yeah.
You can work it good though, eh? Make a good burger?
Yeah, I'm working it good.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm gonna split mine in half like this.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, you can make two burgers out of it, eh?
No, I'm gonna make one big one, but I'm gonna stuff it with cheese, I was thinking.
Okay.
Here.
Okay, oh, it's nice. Cool burgers.
It's gonna be a big burger.
Yeah, that's how you do it, folks. Now that's how Avril does hers. Well, I'll mix up mine now. Yeah, hers is ready.
I'm gonna stuff mine and then fry it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, folks. Avril's burger's there, and we're gonna make my burger. We'll get some buffalo meat. Oh, look at that texture. Whoa, grab some buffalo meat. Nice. We'll put that on there. Then we'll get our butter in there, folks. Salted butter. Then we'll get that in there. Look, whoa, we'll mix it up good. Buffalo got no fat. This will be in there so it sticks together and it holds. Your burger won't fall apart. It'll be very delicious. Yeah, I'm working it good. Our bacon's in the oven. Yeah. All right. Right there's our burger ready to go. Yeah. Let's get started. Nice. It's coming along. All right, folks, our bacon's done. Right here, look at that. Looks so good. Perfect texture. Our burger's coming along also. We'll turn it down a little now. Yeah, we'll monitor it. I got it too high. We'll take it off for a bit. We'll work with it. And I'll flip it. Always monitor your cooking. Well, now we'll cook it slow. And we'll let it cook slow and nice. Alright, our bacon, it's coming along. Okay, folks, Avril's putting on her burgers. How would you call your burgers, Avril? With all the sauces? Huh?
I don't know, seasoned burger, well seasoned.
Oh, she's putting some cheese in the middle. Oh, I didn't even think of that.
Pinch the edges. Pinch
Oh, you might get points for that versus my burger. Mine's coming along though.
What? That's a burger?
Yeah, that's a bison burger. You couldn't tell? Oh, look, she's working that one. That one looks good. She put one layer,
A little bit of cheese.
and then she put cheese in the middle, like that.
Just a little bit. Just.
Oh, let it be educational. It's like a donut.
No, it's
Cheese
a burger.
donut.
It's a grade A burger.
Grade A burger.
Grade Avril burger.
Spicy burger, you said?
Seasoned.
Seasoned burger.
It'll be that spicy.
Seasoned.
There we go.
Yeah. Seasoned mild burger. What would you call this burger, folks? Mild. Competition's on, Avril said. Mild burger or seasoned burger? Mine is
Plain Jane.
Plain Jane. We'll get it flipped over. Oh,
Too soon.
too soon. Oh, it'll be good.
You lost already.
No, I did that just so it'll come apart and like cook in the middle. Oh, it's coming along. Yeah. I'll get back to you. I got some work on my burger to do. Whoa, Avril's look so good. Oh, it holds better. Why did mine fall apart a little bit, Avril?
Because you're Michael and my neighbor.
I thought it was the butter. Maybe the butter leaked out.
That's right.
Whoa. Michael versus Avril. Buffalo burger.
Well, it's Michael versus Avril. Your burger.
Don't rip my burger. It's pitiful. Yeah. I think it's good. We'll let the audience be the judge. Michael, Avril. Yeah, it's coming along. Our bacon's done. We're gonna toast the buns and we'll plate our dishes. Okay.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, folks, my burger's done. It's been like 20 minutes, just about 20 minutes. We'll turn it and I'll get the pizza mozzarella cheese on it. We'll melt it so it'll look good. We gotta catch up our points.
Nah.
We'll make it look melted. Whoa, look at it melting. See on the side? I think it's a winner. Okay, we're gonna put a lid on top and our cheese will melt.
Mine's done something.
We got our onions ready too. Ready to go. We'll have that cooking too. And Avril's here is gonna turn hers. Hers is done. Yeah, hers is done. She's gonna plate it. It's coming along. Okay, the buns were
buttered them.
Avril buttering. She's showing you guys how.
It's gonna melt. It's gonna toast.
Salted butter on there.
This is butter and oil.
Butter and oil.
We got it high because we're gonna get it nice and soft.
Yeah, we're gonna cook this really fast and down real fast, and we're gonna plate it.
This one you wanna add some pepper and salt, right?
Pepper and salt going on, folks.
For some flavor.
Yeah. And I put my burger on the side with the heat. It's gonna melt from the heat from the pan. Yeah, there. We'll get our onions cooked up. We'll put it on the cider, and we're gonna toast our bun. Butter on it. Yeah, our buffalo burgers coming along. Avril's burger versus my burger. Yeah, nice. All right, our toast is ready. One plate and another plate.
I just toasted one side.
Yeah. Yeah, it's toasted. Look at that. That one looks perfect. Nice. Yeah, it's toasted. That's the main key.
Almost. We're almost there.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit of that brown.
I like it kind of dark, you know, real cooked hard.
That's what I mean, no.
But you take the flavor out, eh?
I want like this.
Oh, yeah. Like that one, yeah. Right there will be the finished product, something like that. Yeah, it's coming along. Yeah, we'll get that. Now we'll get everything together and we'll plate it now. We'll see you at the table. Oh, we got it out of the grease, folks. We're taking the grease out of the onions. You can pat it down and turn it around and pat it down. Yeah. Grease not good for you. We'll take as much as we could get off.
The burgers.
Yeah. The grease is out. Yeah, Avril just took it out of the oven. She's keeping it warm. And my burger's here. Keeping it warm with this. Okay, Avril's plating hers, folks. With her secret sauce.
Oops. Sorry.
Yeah, Avril's secret sauce going on. And there's the buffalo meat that we used.
Lettuce.
Oh,
then,
lettuce. And there's her burger.
where's my burger? Oh,
Yeah.
that's mine?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got it ready for you. Lettuce.
What did you do to it?
Her secret sauce. Lettuce. Her burger. Oh, no. Her secret sauce. Lettuce.
Tomato. Just one, maybe. Two tomatoes. And that's it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. So what you all got on
There's
there?
already cheese in the burger, right?
Cheese in the burger. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
So we have secret sauce, lettuce, bacon, my buffalo burger with cheese inside, and then the tomato and secret sauce again.
Okay. Yeah. My cousin Sissy is gonna be the judge. Here's mine, Avril.
Okay.
Okay. Mine is my secret sauce. And my bacon and my lettuce and my
Tomato? No?
yeah, tomato right here. That's what I was missing. Kit right there. And salt, folks.
Oh,
the winner.
Oh, I forgot.
You want some?
Salt. No. Don't,
Okay.
Don't tamper it.
Okay. Don't tamper it. Okay. And me. And I'm gonna cut mine. Like that.
Oh, I'm gonna cut mine too. Yeah, bring it.
Yeah.
Here.
She's gonna cut it
We have.
so she can eat it.
Yeah. Okay, it's good.
Yeah.
Maybe we can.
Look at that.
Okay.
Right here is that my burger.
Let's get the judge over
And
here.
Avril's burger.
Okay, come on, Sissy.
Yeah. Sissy's gonna be the judge. Okay, folks, the finishing touches. The onion, we forgot it. Yeah. LOL.
The one we were waiting for.
Yeah. We would have both lost.
Oh, no.
Put some on mine, right there.
Hang on, wait.
Right there's mine. Onions on.
Okay.
There.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Like this.
Throw some on there. Yeah. Onions going on.
There. There.
Right there's my burger
There's mine.
versus Avril's burger. Right there. Look at that. The cheese is inside. All right. Avril versus Micheal. Yeah. We got the onions on. There's my cousin Sissy. Hello, folks.
No.
Cousin Sissy's trying it. Yeah. Thank you.
Try it, the winner.
Hello, Alan. Say, Sissy. Hello, Alan. Taste one. Just eat it. Feel the tastes in your mouth. Yeah.
And then it'll clean your palate.
Yeah.
There's some ice too to clean your palate before you try another one.
Ooh. Yeah. Take a bite of one of each.
Get a little bit of
It'll be
everything.
so
in your
delicious.
bite. A little bit of everything in your bite. Are you ready to choose? They'll tell us when.
Okay, now you choose it, Sissy. Which one do you think is better? That one? Oh, yeah, Avril wins.
Good, man.
Oh, yeah. Look, we'll take a bite for you, folks. Our burger. I'll have one of mine. Buffalo burger. Yeah.
Avril style.
Avril Micheal.
Get out of here, Avril.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Avril and Sissy and I had fun. Memories for a lifetime. Thank you. Bye for now.
Thanks for the win, Sissy. Thanks for the win.
Thank you for watching, folks. Like, share, and subscribe if you like.
You can even make it spicy with this.
The secret sauce.
Really good.
Yeah, right there. Right there, it's the 2 ingredients.
That's why I won.
I like it like this. Just these 2 and there. But you can put sauces in there. Yeah, I like it like that because I just tasted. Okay, thank you. Bye. All that meat. See how long it takes. Wow. Buffalo burger. It's going to be so delicious.